right now.
Number 109.
Run the wiring for all the cars. This has been Ooh, we have some fancy stuff going on here. Welcome to another video. We're working on the shifter. This car has been pretty awesome, but one of the things that I don't like is the shifter. You can tell there's a lot of, a lot of movement. This is neutral right here. You see, once it's in gear, the shifter moves too. We're gonna upgrade the shifter itself, and so I'm very excited for this video, and I have all the parts lined up outside. I'm gonna show you exactly what you need. So let's step outside and I'll show you exactly what we are going to be doing. We opted out for the Cobb brand. They are very known in the Subaru world and other turbocharged cars, so they do put out a really high quality product. I was doing a lot of research and I lined up all the parts that I needed in order to fix the STi shifter. So first we're going to start with the Cobb stage 1 shifter. Everything it's included. You can go to the Cobb website and you're gonna find a shifter knob. They have different variations, so you can pick exactly what you want, and the bushings here, and also the shifter itself. So my car is actually equipped with the STi factory short shifter. I must say it does need a lot of work because you still have a lot of slack happening, and I definitely don't like that. We're going to start with a shifter. Almost resembles the hybrid racing shifter that I have on my DC5. This is kind of like a pivot wall. They're just going to replace that shifter arm, which is pretty awesome, and it's fully adjustable. Part right here slides up and down, and this part too, built out of aluminum. Pretty cool. Very excited to throw this on the car. You get an Allen wrench and some stickers and stuff. And this is the Subaru rear shifter bushing. There's the part number right there, so you can actually look for it if you need it. Okay, so we get a thank you card, and this is the bushing right here. Very, very stiff. Pretty cool. And it comes with some lubricant. Comes with hardware, Cobb sticker, and that's pretty much it. Now this one is the Subaru 6-speed front shifter bushing. Like I said, guys, this car has multiple bushings, and we're gonna be replacing all of them. The knob that I went with, guys, they have multiple options to choose from, but this is the one that I picked. I haven't even seen this one yet. So let's open it up. Very clean. I went with the red ring right here, so it matches my interior. Very nice knob, so I can't wait to put that on the car. Same thing, guys, just stickers, nothing to it. Alright guys, so we are in the interior of the car, and we're going to be working in the center console. In order to get to the shifter, we actually have to remove certain pieces right here that's going to allow us to get access to the shifter itself. There you go. So gently just put your hand in here between the driver's seat and the console and pull up. Next, you're going to find a Phillips screw right here. Remove that screw. Pull your glove box open. Take that cover that's in the bottom. And you're gonna find 2 more Phillips screws, so remove those. Pull onto this whole console gently, just like this. Remove the shift knob. We're going to remove the this center piece right here. You gotta be very careful because there is a connector behind here. Just like that. And next you're going to remove these 2 plastic buttons right here. We're going to remove this pin that are here. Grab a punch, such as something like this, same size as the pin that's in there, and just take very gently, just go and tap it. Make sure you're in gear, and if you want, you can hold the lever, give it a little bit of support, and just tap it. There you go. I'm going to take two 12mm ratchets and remove this. Now this is gonna be free. You see this tie wrap right here? We're gonna cut it off so we can take the cable out of here, and we're gonna remove the seat clamp that is on the socket, and we'll be able to pull this off. I'm going to assemble the new one. So you're going to be transferring everything that's on here onto this. These are the spacers for these bushings. We're going to remove this portion right here, which is held with 2 Phillips screws. Alright, so next we're going to transfer over this bushing right here. First, you're going to need these sleeves. You're going to set them in there. Make sure everything's nice and tight in there. Next, we're going to move over the spring. Before I proceed, guys, I just wanted to show you up close what's going on here. That socket right there, that's where the pivot point of the shifter goes. Well, fast forward a lot of frustration and everything. I managed to put everything back. We put back this section right here, and we got the socket back in place with the C-clamp. So far, everything's good. We have the cable back inside the shaft right here. Fairly easy installation, not too bad, but you definitely have to be a little bit skilled in order to do something like this. If you don't want to tackle any of this, I would definitely suggest a professional to do it. And then after we're done in here, we're going to underneath the car and install all the bushings, and we should be good. Check it out, guys. It's completely done. Man, I love the finish on the shift knob. As you can tell, it matches well with the contrast of the seats. So we're gonna start removing all the old parts. Peep the new STi hat. Pretty awesome. So we're gonna go underneath the car. Should be fun. We have all our tools, and you can tell right there, that's one of the bushings. That's towards the front of the car, and then if you look closely right back here, you'll find the rear bushing. There's the heat shield. As you can tell, I already started removing it. It's only held with 4 12mm bolts, which is pretty easy to just remove, and you can just push it out of the way. Alright, boys, we got this out, and I'm gonna tell you right now, that was not fun. I got the new one right here. Cool. Looks nice, looks clean, looks new. Just the difference right there. Rubber, poly. This is the rear bushing. This is the rubber one, factory. As you can tell, pretty ugly and soft. We have the factory bolts right here, and these are the new ones that are going in, due to the fact that this is much thicker, much harder compound as well. Alright, so after a long hour and a half, we got the bushings in. They look pretty cool, good fitment. The other bushing is up there with the brand new bolts. So we're all done. The shifter kit, it's installed. It's 100% installed, and it's amazing. I mean, I showed you guys a little bit in the previous video, but wow, I'm just in love with how it looks. I mean, most of the shifter itself is covered, but you know, I got the new shift knob, which is awesome, and it matches the interior. I'm gonna show you the shifter in action in a little bit, but for the most part, guys, it's pretty cool that there's a kit like this available for the STi. Alright guys, first test drive. Oh my god. Yo, this shifter's so... Oh no, this is so awesome. Oh my god. What? The throws are so freaking sure. There's no more slack, guys. Look at this. That's first right there. What? Amazing, amazing. I've been waiting for this modification since I bought it. I mean, every time I buy a car, I always tend to just kind of scan the car and check like what it needs to be done, you know, to get it 100%. You know, every car is not perfect, obviously. So the shifter is definitely a good start. If you have a daily, this is the way to go, man. Always try to find a short shifter kit, a good one, because there's so many out there, but a good one is hard to come by. So there's no more side-to-side movement. The gears are very grouped together. Awesome. That's what I'm talking about, man. Every STi owner needs to get this. This is awesome. All the gears, all the what do you call it? All the gears are like within like maybe this spot right here versus where it was like that much. This is awesome. I'm gonna do one more pull, guys, and that's it. Gotta end this video. This video is probably man long. The Prius is beating me right now. This is awesome. Oh, let's go! Oh, dude, this is like falling in love again with this car. This is awesome. Whoa, wow. A quick downshift. Another quick downshift. Oh, dude. This car is like well-rounded. It just needed a shifter. It needed that shifter. I'm so happy with that purchase. Awesome. Alright guys, so this is gonna end the video. I know I tried to end it before, but this is the end of it. This is the ending. Thank you for watching, and I'll leave everything in the description below. I'll leave everything that you guys need, part numbers, links, whatever. I'll try to help you guys out. I'll put it in the description, so make sure you check it out. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the thumbs up, and stay tuned, guys. Till the next one. Peace.